If you notice your engine performance has suddenly tanked and you see your exhaust pipe glowing a bright cherry red after a short drive, you might be looking at a choked engine due to a P04A5 code. This code tells us that your exhaust pressure control valve B is stuck in the closed position. This little valve is basically like a throttle plate for your exhaust system, and its job is to create back pressure to help your engine and coolant warm up faster, especially if you live in those freezing cold climates. It is a smart system managed by the PCM, but when that valve gets stuck shut, it is exactly like trying to run a marathon while someone is holding their hand over your mouth. The engine simply cannot breathe. Back pressure builds up to dangerous levels, heat builds up rapidly, and you might even see your turbocharger or engine starting to overheat. Usually, valve B refers to the bank of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, but designs can vary quite a bit between manufacturers like Dodge, Honda, or Chevy. To fix this, you will need a few tools like a DVOM and maybe even an infrared thermometer. Use the thermometer to check the actual temperature of the exhaust near the valve to see if it is actually opening when the computer tells it to. Sometimes the problem is not the valve itself, but the position sensor or the wiring leading to it being damaged by the extreme heat. Check for any melted wires or corroded connectors near the hot exhaust components. If you find that the wiring is fine, you might need to use your scanner to manually command the valve to move while you monitor the voltage signal. If it stays stuck despite getting the right ground and power signal, then the valve has physically failed or is carboned up and needs to be replaced. Do not ignore this one, because driving with a stuck exhaust valve can lead to permanent damage to your turbocharger or even melt your catalytic converter. It's all about making sure the engine can exhale properly, so getting that valve moving again is the only way to get your performance and fuel economy back to where they belong.